Hi, and thank you for allowing us to send you this video. My name is Alex, and I'm going to be showing you how by improving your website and get even more exposure and outright competition, and of course, get more patients. First things first, I was looking at your website, and one of the things that I have to recommend is to add more relevant content. When I say content, I'm not just talking about the images, icons. I'm talking more about the text that your website has. Why is this so important? Because when Google analyzes your website, they read through all of the information they have here. So you add relevant keywords like, and I'm sure you have it, but for example, chiropractic, Connecticut, things like that. It has to be surrounded by a group of of information of content, and those keywords they need to be placed in specific areas so actually Google can understand even better what are your services, what you provide, and which areas are you trying to target. That being said, I use this tool called Ahrefs, and what this does allows me to see data that's being picked from your website by Google. Um, we can see that you're being found for 93 keywords, which is not that much, but you also have around 639 backlinks. Now, what are backlinks? Backlinks are other sites that are mentioned in your website powers you can find on Google. So think about like a popularity contest, right? The more people you get to talk about you in a positive way, the more relevant stay, right? Same principle applies here, but with the difference that not all backlinks are created. So you can have hundreds and dozens of backlinks, but if they're not powerful, they're not relevant, and most important, to be found for, you're not going to have the result. And probably your rating is not going to go up, as we can see right now. But moving on, let's go and see the keywords that you're being found. And of course, chiropractor Connecticut, there's 150 searches a month. And you're ranked number 6, you're getting 8 of those. So it seems that whoever is doing your marketing kind of knows what they're doing, but I don't see any improvement in this specific one. Example, this one is not really relevant because something done would be different cities, different places in the United States. But for the purpose of the video, let's go and see who's ranking number one for a specific one, and what would you need to do so you can start competing with those. So if we go to Google, we type Connecticut. Uh, First thing you're gonna see is the map section, and again, regardless of your location, this, like I said, it's about popularity contest. So if you have a profile, which I'm sure you do, it has to be optimized. Images, if you have images, they have to be optimized. Reviews, if somebody leaves a review, you have to like use somebody ask a question or try to book an appointment. Same thing. If you do that consistently, Google is going to notice, and that's what is going to make you start climbing these positions. Then we have the organic results. This is an association that I was just looking at. And then number 2, we got this Connecticut Kairos. See, why are they ranking number 2? What would you need to start competing with these guys? So you can see they have content here, more content here, more content here. So it's not that much, and they probably just targeting properly those keywords. The keyword in this case, chiropractic, very good, with better backlinks in the back end of their website really quick. They're being found for 147, and they have 636 backlinks in comparison to yours. Back here, second, probably you almost have the same amount of backlinks, but there seem to be targeting those right keywords, and probably these links are a little better quality. So this is something you might want to consider as well. If we look at the keywords that they're being found for, um, chiropractic Connecticut, so 150 searches a month, just like we saw, and because they're ranking number 2, they get 20 visits straight to their website. If we compare that to you, you're only getting around 8. So not not really something that um, not really something that you want to, because I see that you start dropping positions over there. Let's give it a second here. So again, uh, this is what I want to show you more consolidated data. So very, very important to understand the difference between being top 3, top 2, top 5, or the same page. These guys over here are getting more traffic just targeting this properly. Uh, right, backlinks and the content. Um, on how we can see that. Other than that, we can see that they're targeting this another keywords, and that's perfectly fine if depending on what areas do you want to target as well. But once again, I don't want to take too much of your time. I really hope you find this information useful. My name is Alex, and if you have any questions, please let us know. If you have any other questions about search volumes or Google profile businesses and how to ramp it up, feel free to reach out. Thank you.